Overmore, AVP Group Corporate Affairs and Communications for Victoria Mutual. And this year for Labor Day, we wanted to truly help students who are in need. We thought about how could we truly impact and labor for learning this year. We came up with the idea to gift 21 students across Jamaica who are sitting CSEC exams but have challenges. They don't have a computer, they don't have access to data, and we've heard much of those stories across the media since COVID hit. We reached out to courts to say, okay, can we get the laptops at a discounted rate? And they jumped on board very quickly and reached out to Flow, who, as many of us know, the mobile companies have a discounted plan for teachers and students. And we felt like that was a really great way for us to give back and have impact on 21 students who we know will do well.